Hello guys, today I'll tell you about prehistory, Philippine prehistory. But we will tell you a theory. A theory. I don't know how to pronounce it. The big bird, the bird fury. I forgot the names. So this is what it is. A bird. Okay, this one is just a myth. What Filipinos created, the one when a long time ago when they created this myth. This is not true, okay? So this is just a myth, okay? Sleeping myths. Alright. There was a bird who was just trying to find a nest for a nest to sleep, and then suddenly a light bulb went to her head. And suddenly there was heavy water, and the water kept like a tsunami or a flood. And the rocks collide. And suddenly, that's what we call an archipelago. This is just a myth, okay? Philippine myths. And that's how the Philippines was made. Done.